वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णौ वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्. Good evening, everyone. Yes, we are learning 15th chapter. Okay, 3 sloka we learned. We will revise again. Okay. Yes, Shrikar. Shrikar.
ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ पंचदशोऽध्यायः पुरुषोत्तमयोगः। श्रीभगवानुवाच रुद्रमूलमदशाकम् अश्वत्थं प्राहुरव्यतं छन्दांसि यस्य पर्णानि यस्तं वेद स वेदवित्।
Uttamam. Shakam. Shakam means branch. Kham, that ka is second ka. Okay, give more stress to that. Recite that word.
रुद्रमूलमदशाकम्.
Correct. Uttamam. Saisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Go for second sloka.
अधश्चोध्वं प्रसृतास्तस्य शाखा गुणप्रवृद्धा विषयप्रवालाः अधश्च मूलान्यनुसन्ततानि कर्मानुबन्धीनि मनुष्यलोके.
Uttamam. Guna pravruddha. Id is there. Not guna pravruddha.
गुणप्रवृद्धा.
No. Pravruddha. Id. One id is there.
प्रवृद्धा.
Correct. Okay. Yes. Uttamam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yeah. Shrinika.
Yes, ma'am.
Narupa.
Narupa.
Masyeha.
Masyeha.
Tatho.
Tatho.
Palabhyate.
Palabhyate.
Nantona.
Nantona.
Chadirna cha.
Chadinna cha.
Sampratishtha.
Sampratishta.
Yes. Ashvatthamenam.
Ashwatthamenam.
Menam.
Menam.
Suvirudha.
Suvirudha.
Moolam.
Moolam.
Asanga.
Asanga.
Shastrena.
Shastrena.
Dridhena.
Hridena chitva.
Chitva. Yes, excellent. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, welcome. Practice one sloka and come, okay? Tomorrow I will have to listen to you, okay? On Monday, huh? Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Udbhavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Narupa.
Narupa.
Masyeha.
Masyeha.
Tatho.
Hatho.
Palabhyate.
Palabhyate.
Nantona.
Nantona.
Chadirna cha.
Chadinna cha.
Sampratishtha.
Sampastista.
Pratishtha.
Sampatista.
Correct. Ashvatha.
Ashwatha.
Menam.
Menam.
Suvirudha.
Suvirudha.
Moolam.
Moolam.
Asanga.
Asanga.
Shastrena.
Shastrena.
Dridhena.
Hridena.
Dridhena.
Hridena.
Chitva.
Chitva.
Excellent. Yes. Yeah, Shrikar. Recite this sloka. Excellent. We will go to next sloka. Okay, for newcomers. This is 4-line sloka. This is called Upajati. Okay, in your textbook, a lengthy 2-line will be there. That is called Upajati in Sanskrit. So we have to recite with a little bit different rhythm. Okay, to maintain the meter of this word. Okay, we are doing that rhythm. So this 4-line is the sloka. In your textbook, it will be in the lengthy form. Now we will see the recitation, how we will recite. Tatav padam tat parimargi tavyam yasmin gatha nanivartanti bhuyaha tameva chadyam purusham prapadye vartaf yataf pravrittif prasruta purani. Like that we have to recite. Now, a small change you have to correct in your textbook. This visarga, what we will do this visarga, how we will pronounce. So, applying Sanskrit basic rule. Okay, it is a basic level of Gita. Okay, advanced level is different. Now, basic level is visarga followed by pa. If sound we have to put. Okay, so write it F in English in your textbook. So how we will recite this visarga? Tataf. Okay, if sound you have to pronounce while reciting. Then tataf padam. Like that we have to take. So write it F in English in the first line. In the second line there is no change, but you put one comma for that easy recitation will do. Okay, tataf padam tat. Put one comma. Parimargi. Put one comma. Then tavyam. Like that we have to take. Then in the second line, yasmin. Put one comma. Gatana. Okay, gatha. Put one comma. Then nani. That na should be recited with along with nani vart. Okay, so nani vartanti bhuyaha. Then tameva chadyam purusham prapadye. Okay, it is normal. Third line is normal. Now, in the fourth line, there is a change. This visarga again followed by pa. Pa means kya? Here pra is there. Okay, pa, pra or pa varga. Yes, no? So pa, pp. Like that we are reciting. Okay, so vyanjan. So pra varga is pa varga is coming here. Pra is written. So visarga followed by pa. Visarga means these two dot. I am talking about these two dot. This is called visarga. This is followed by pa. If sound will come. Again F sound. Write it F in English. And also in the next one. Pravrittif. Okay, then visarga followed by pa. Again if sound will come. Write it F in English. Okay, so prasruta purani. Like that we have to take. Okay, note it, what are all the changes? Note is must, book is must to read. Okay, or take the printout of this PDF and you make the changes, requirement changes, then it will be easy to recite. Because we are doing the individual Parayanam one by one with you only. So practice along with that. Okay, yes, we will see the recitation now with Nidardani.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tataf
Tata
padam
padam
tat
tat
parimargi
parimargri
tavyam
tavyak
yasmin.
tavam.
Yes, good.
Yes,
Gata
gatha
nani
nani
vartanti
vadanti
bhuyaha
bhuyaha
tameva
Tameva
चाद्यं
Chadyam
पुरुषं
Purusham
प्रपद्ये
Prapadde
यतः
Yata
yes प्रवृत्तिः
Pravitti
very good प्रसृता
Prasuta
पुराणी
Purani.
अति उत्तमम्
Thank you, ma'am.
वेलकम श्रीनिका
Yes, ma'am.
ततः पदं
Tatam Padam.
ततः if sound
Okay,
ततः
ma'am.
yes
Tatam Pradam Padam.
पद yes very good तत् परिमार्गी
Tat Pari Margi
very good तव्यं
Tavyam
यस्मिन् गता
Yasmin Gata
ननि
Nani
वर्तन्ति भूयः वर्तन्ति
Bhuyaha
excellent तमेव चाद्यं
Tameva Chadyam
पुरुषं
Purusham
प्रपद्ये
Parapyate
एकनिमिषं प्रपद्ये
Prapadye
yes very good
Prapadye
very good यतः
Yata
प्रवृत्ति
Pravarti
तिफ
Tik
yes प्रसृता
Prasnuta
very good पुराणी
Purani.
उत्तमम्
Thank you, ma'am.
वेलकम उद्भवी
Yes, ma'am.
ततः पदं
Hataf Padam
तत्परिमार्गी
Tat Parimargi
तव्यं
Tavyam
यस्मिन्
Yasmin
गता ननि
Gatanani
वर्तन्ति भूयः
Vartanti Bhuyaha
correct तमेव चाद्यं
Tameva Chadyam
पुरुषं प्रपद्ये
Purusham Prapadye
यतः प्रवृत्तिः
Yata Pravritti
very good प्रसृता पुराणी
Prasruta Purani.
excellent हर्षिता
Thank you, ma'am.
स्वागतम्
Yes, ma'am.
ततः पदं
Tataf Padam.
तत्परिमार्गितव्यं
Can you repeat it? Tatpari
मार्गितव्यं
Margitavyam
यस्मिन् गता
Yasmin Gata
न निवर्तन्ति
Nani Vartanti
भूयः
Bhuyaha
तमेव चाद्यं
Tamiva Chadyam
पुरुषं
Purusam
प्रपद्ये
Prapadye
यतः
Yataf
प्रवृत्तिः
Pravittif
प्रसृता
Prasrata
पुराणी
Purani.
good very good
Thank you, ma'am.
need yes Taisha
Yes, ma'am.
recite full sloka
Okay, ma'am. Tataf padam tat परिमार्गितव्यम् यस्मिन् गता न निवर्तन्ति भूयः तमेव चाद्यं पुरुषं प्रपद्ये यतः प्रवृत्तिः प्रसृता पुराणी
Repeat fourth line.
यतः प्रवृत्तिः
Ekanimsham. Look. Pravritti.
प्रवृत्तिः
Pravrit. It sound.
प्रवृत्तिः
Very good. Pravritti. Complete.
प्रसृता पुराणी
Ati uttamam. Shrikar. Swagatam. Shrikar full sloka. Full sloka. Uttamam. Okay, we will go to next sloka. Again, we are having the upajati. So we will see how we will recite. Nirmana, moha, jitasanga, dosha. Okay, then adhyatma, put one comma, nitya, vini, put one comma, vritta, put one comma, kamaha. Then dvandvair, dvand. Okay, it is not dvand, it is dvand. Vair, put one comma. Then vimuktas. Don't write anything, Udbhavi. Yes. Okay. Vimuktas, sukha, dukkha, sanyaihi. Then gachantya, put one comma. Mood off. Pada, mauvyayam, tat. Okay, tat. Okay, whatever way you have to take the rhythm, you can take. Now, first two line, there is no change. Only in the third line, we have a change. What is the change? This visarga followed by sa. It is su is coming, no? So we have to, this visarga should be recited as a is sound. So write it yes in English in your textbook. So how we will recite? Dvandvair muktas sukha. Then already I taught you that whenever this dukkha is coming, we should not say dukkha. It should be dukkha. Okay. So H sound. Why H sound? Ka varga. Okay. Ka is coming now. So we have to say ich sound. Okay. Not ik sound. Ich sound will come. So write it H in English. Okay. So that it will be easy to recite. Now in the fourth line also there is a change. Visarga followed by pa. Already you know if sound will come. So write it F in English for better pronunciation. This is the basic rule we are applying. So try to understand, take your textbook and write it down the necessary changes for better recitation. Shrinika.
Yes, ma'am.
Nirmana.
Nirmana.
Moha.
Moha.
Jitasanga.
Jitasanga.
Dosha.
Dosha.
Adhyatma.
Adhyatma.
Nitya.
Nitya.
Vinivritta. Vritta.
Vritta.
Correct. Kamaha.
Kamaha.
Very good. Dvandvair.
Dvandvai.
Vimuktas.
Vimukta.
Vimuktas.
Vimukta.
Tas is sound last. Yes, very good. Sukha.
Sukha.
Dukkha.
Dukkha.
Sanyaihi.
Sannaihi.
Gachantya.
Gacchantya.
Mood off.
Buddha.
Padamauvyayam. Mauvyayam. Tat. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes. Nidardani.
Yes, ma'am.
Nirmanamoha.
Nirmanamoha.
Jitasanga.
Jitasanga.
Dosha.
Dosha.
Adhyatmanitya.
Adhyatmanitya.
Vinivrittakamaha.
Vinivrittakamaha.
Excellent. Dvandvair.
Dvandvair.
Muktas.
Muktas.
Sukha dukkha.
Sukha dukkha.
Sanyaihi.
Sannaihi.
Gacchantya.
Gacchantya.
Mudhaf.
Muda.
Padamauvyayam.
Padamauvyayam.
Tat.
Tat.
Yes, excellent recitation. Udbhavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Nirmanamoha.
Nirmanamoha.
Jitasanga dosha.
Jitasanga dosha.
Adhyatmanitya.
Adhyatmanitya.
Vinivrittakamaha.
Vinivrittakamaha.
Kamaha.
Kama.
Ha. Ha is missing.
Kamha.
Kamaha. Ha should be there. Visarga is there.
Kamaha.
Yes. Dvandvair.
Dvandvair.
Vimuktas.
Vimuktas.
Sukha dukkha.
Sukha dukkha.
Sanyaihi.
Sannaihi.
Yes. Gacchantya.
Gacchantya.
Mudhaf.
Muda.
Padamauvyayam tat.
Padamodayam. Tat.
Very good. Uttama. Yes. Harshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Nirmanamoha.
Nirmanamoha.
Jitasanga dosha.
Jitasanga dosha.
Adhyatmanitya.
Adhyatmanitya.
Vinivritta.
Vinivritta.
Kamaha.
Kamaha.
Dvandvair.
Dvandvair.
Vimuktas.
Vimuktas.
Sukha dukkha.
Sukha dukkha.
Sanyaihi.
Sanyaihi.
Gacchantya.
Gacchantya.
Mudhaf.
Mudha.
Padamauvyayam tat.
Can you repeat it?
Padamauvyayam
Padamauvyayam.
tat.
Tat.
Yes. Tat. Okay. Got
Okay.
it? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Shrika. Full sloka.
Nirmanamoha jitasanga dosha. Adhyatmanitya. Vinivrittakamaha. Dvandva vimukta. Sukha dukkha sanyaihi. Gacchantya muda. पदमव्ययं तत्.
Excellent. Saisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
निर्माणमोहाजितसङ्गदोषा अध्यात्मनित्यविनिवृत्तकामाः द्वन्द्वैर्विमुक्ताः सुखदुःखसंज्ञैः गच्छन्त्यमूढाः पदमव्ययं तत्.
Mood off if sound. Fourth line.
मूढाः
Yes. And Adhyatma Nitya. Second line.
अध्यात्मनित्या.
Yes. Okay. Adopt that rhythm. Okay. What I am teaching, that rhythm you have to adopt. Okay. Yes. By
Yes.
practice, it will come. It will not come for one day. Okay. By practice only, it will come for all of you. Okay. Don't hesitate that this is a lengthy, it is very difficult because these lines, okay, are new. These words are very new for the first time. Then while practicing, it will be easy to recite. Okay. Don't worry about that. We will go to next sloka. It is the normal sloka, 2-line sloka. So it will be easy. Okay. Natad bhasayate suryaha. Okay, that suryo, it will be there. So suryo, up to suryo, first pada. Then nasha shankona pavakaha, second pada. Okay, we are splitting this sloka. Okay, this is the normal sloka. It is a 2-line sloka. So rhythm will be the normal. We are splitting into 4 pada. Okay, so 4 pada, first pada up to suryo. Then second pada is next one. Then in the second line, yad gatva nani vartante. Up to here, third pada. Tadhama paramam mama. Up to here, fourth pada. No change, as it is, we have to recite. Now we will see the recitation. Harshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Natad
नतत्
bhasayate
भासयते
suryo
सूर्यो
nasha
नस
shankona
सांको न
pavakaha
पावकः
yadgatva
यद्गत्वा
nani vartante.
न निवर्तन्ते
Yes, tadhama.
यथर्दान
No, yes, nahi. Tadhama
तद्धाम
paramam mama.
परमं मम.
Excellent recitation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Udbhavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Natad
नथ
bhasayate suryo
भासयते सूर्यो
na shashankona
न
nasha.
शशाङ्को
Yes,
न
shankona
शशाङ्को न
pavakaha
पावकः
yadgatva
यद्गत्वा
nani vartante.
न निवर्तन्ते
Tadhama
तद्धाम
paramam mama.
परमं मम.
Excellent. Nidhardani,
Thank you, ma'am.
welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
Natad
नतत्
bhasayate suryo
भासयते सूर्यो
na shashankona
न शशाङ्को न
pavakaha
पावकः
yadgatva
यद्गत्वा
nani vartante.
न निवर्तन्ते
Tadhama paramam mama.
तद्धाम परमं मम.
Excellent. See,
Thank
others,
you, ma'am.
yeah, welcome. Others, Nidardhani don't know how to read, but she is following what I am saying. So concentration, okay, dedication towards the sloka, that is very important. If you are dedicatedly spent half an hour, so it will be recited. So that is the example of Nidardhani. She is small kid, 4-year-old. Okay, so this is the inspiration to others. So try to catch. Okay, you are reading. Fifth standard student means you are reading. Okay, you can read Tamil, English, Hindi also. So take out your book and read. Mark the changes. Okay, for the reading. This habit should be come to in your mind. On your own, you should do the homework. Okay. Yes. Shrikar. Full sloka.
तद्भासयते सूर्यो न शशाङ्को न पावकः यद्गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम.
Excellent. Saisha.
Yes, ma'am.
न
तद्भासयते सूर्यो न शशाङ्को न पावकः यद्गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम.
Uttamam. Srinika.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good recitation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you recited this sloka? You recited? No.
No.
Oh, yes. Natad
Nattam
bhasayate
vasayate
suryo
suryo
na shashanko na
nashasankona
pavakaha
avakaha
yadgatva.
yagatva
Yes. Nanivartante
nanivartante
tadhama
tadhama
paramam mama.
paramam mama.
Excellent recitation. Spashtam. Pronunciation
Thank
is
you,
too
ma'am.
good. Yes. Welcome. Yes, we will go to next sloka. Only we will see the recitation, how we will recite. Mamai Vamsho Jiva Loke. Up to here first pada. Jiva Bhutas Sanatanaha. Here Visarga followed by Sa is sound. Write it yes in English. Then in the second line, Manaf. If sound will come because Visarga followed by Sha. Is sound. Okay. Manah Shashtha Nindriyani. Up to here third pada. Prakritis Thani Karshati. Up to here fourth pada. So this is the rule to recite. We will see this sloka recitation tomorrow. Okay, Samapayamaha with Shanti Mantram. Sarve Jana Sukhina. Sarve Bhantu Niramayaha. Sarve Bhadrani Kashyantu. Ma Kashchit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.